When you owe Jamaicans money.
Hey boy, I want my money. Hey boy, you owe me my money. Hey boy. Yeah, who this? Hey boy, Andrew. That's a call man in them lunchtime, so yeah. Yeah man, boy. Yeah man, things rough, boy, things rough. Yeah man. Boy, man, I tell you, say, yeah man, yo, me hungry like 10 dog. Yeah man. Boy, white squad like terrorize me mouth corner, you know. A big sound effects are come from my stomach. Yo, man, tell you the truth. Yeah man, me da do well with a 10 grand right, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, do we just get paid? Yeah man, do we just get paid? Yeah man, everybody at my work get paid same time. Yeah man, boy. May I tell you the truth, if 10 grand would have drop in my pocket and now my body supposed to shiver. Yeah man, supposed to drop in a hospital said time. Boy, may I tell you, yeah man, you know what me is a man with dependable. Yeah. Yeah man. Yeah man. If you lend me a thing, I give back as soon as me get paid, brother. Yeah, man. Soon as me get paid. Alright, brother. Yo. Yeah, man, me know say you's a youth me can depend upon.